Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know who shared your post on Facebook, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can see who shared your post on Facebook. So first open your Facebook app from your phone and just tap on this three line or profile icon here and scroll down and tap on these settings and privacy. From here again tap on these settings. Now scroll down and look for profile or tagging like this. Just tap on this. You can see there is an option allow other to share your post to their stories. If you want to allow people to share your post in their story, then you can check mark this. Or if you don't want people share your post in their story, then you can uncheck this, but I want, so I'm keeping this. Just go back and here look for the notification and just tap on this notification section and just tap on this more activity about you. Just tap on this. Now if you want to get notification or if you want to know who shared your post, then you have to enable this. Just tap on this and you can set where you want to get the notification. You want a push notification, email, or in your SMS. So I will suggest to keep all this turned on. If someone shared your post, you can get this kind of notification in your notification section of your Facebook. So basically that's all. After turning these on, you will get notification if someone shared your post. So if you think this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.